Hello, guys. This is Jill and Yin, and today we are redecorating our room.
Room makeover?
So we've been having trouble with spacing in the room, and maybe not a lot of you know, but I have moved in together with my girlfriend Jill. We're sharing the room.
So this is our room right now. Do you see it? This is us trying to clean it up, or starting to, because it is a huge mess. It's always been a huge mess, and I think we're both ready for some changes so that we can better improve our channel.
Yeah, we're thinking about making a section so we can also do live streaming. We're filming, so we will be moving a lot of stuff around. So that will be today's content. That's started right now. So I am working at the moment, so I have Joe just go around and clean up initially, and I help here and there as I can. We also first move everything around and try to clean them up before I move the fridge over. So we'll show you how we want to put the stuff around a bit, but right now Joe is just cleaning the shelf and figuring her figurines out a little bit. It looks really, really cute. See, this is her collection.
I don't know what to do because these two are kind of covering her. So should I put her in front and then behind, but then you can't see the ones behind. So I'm not sure.
Maybe we can put it in another place.
Wait. So we put her over here. Her here. Maybe that won't work. That works. And then
In the back, yeah, the leg.
that might work.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna move the bed probably over there where we already have our fridge because we have a fridge in here. We're gonna move the fridge over here, and where I actually have the shelf, we're probably gonna put it over there so that you guys can see in frame of the video.
So basically, we are gonna move. This part is gonna be our filming set, and then the fridge is gonna go right there, and the bed's gonna go right where the fridge is at. That little drawer might have to go over there, but Jill come up with a brilliant idea, so let's roll with it. We actually forgot to film a portion of the cleaning process, moving process, but we already moved everything outside the room, and we also flipped the bed around because we realized we cannot open the closet door. And we are also cleaning up, sweeping, and getting garbage ready to throw everything out. There's a lot of stuff trapped underneath the bed. It's a lot of surprises. Also, Joe's nephew came in here and there talking to us and helping us around. I was just curious what we're doing. We also went out to eat in the front of it, so I cut that out. But yeah, overall, we take our time, move the shelf around. We also redecorate it a little bit more, move stuff on the bed, off the bed. Yeah, we talk, clean, and take break here and there, put stuff in boxes. Yeah, overall, the room is really coming together. It's getting cleaned up, well organized. Really hope you all see the progress. I'll show you at the end. Hello, so we have now just finished our room setup. You guys can see around right here. We have finally get this cleaned up. This will be our live setup where we can do our live, and also we're gonna do a lot of our channel filming right around this corner. We're gonna get more stuff. Me and Joe will film more. Joe, what do you want to say?
I don't think that it's finished, but I think that it's pretty good for how long it took us. So I think we should continue to at least clean a little better, but it looks pretty good.
Yeah, I say it's pretty good. It took us about more than a few hours, but we also did a lot of deep cleaning. The floor is now all mostly swept, and yeah, the bed is in this corner, and the fridge is over there, and then our drawers are over there. This beautiful wall is now showing with Jill take a lot of time decorating this little shelf. Hopefully we can get it in the shot, people can see her figurine and stuff, not the bottom part though. But yeah, look, it's mostly cleaned up. We still need to do a lot of cleaning still, but that'll be all for tonight. I want to say thank you all. wonderful people. We'll do a rating of our setup. You guys can rate it. How do you guys like it? Do you guys not like it? Leave it in the comment section. Also, if you have any idea of what kind of decoration we should do, also leave it in the comment section.
This is Jillian.
This is Yen. Good night.